Push that hip over. Go straight. Turn to the right. Now I'm going to two-track. Head to that other corner. Left leg. Left leg. Can change leads. So there, I took my left leg off, put my right leg on, push that hip to the left. Now we're in the left lead. I'm going to use my left leg, push out, right hand, right leg, bring in, left hand, left leg, push out, right hand, right leg, push in, bring that hip off to the right here, keep her going on a straight line. Come around this corner here. Two-track. The right leg's on her. Now I'm going to adjust my right leg accordingly to move that hip over a little bit more. I'm going to stay into there. She's anticipating me changing leads there. So here. Crossfired. There, she's in it. Now crossfired means she changed in the front end, but she didn't change. There, she changed both ends. There's changed both ends. There, changed both ends. If I keep changing my leg, because that's the button. Move her over. Right leg, left lead. Left leg, right lead. Ooh. Thank you. So you see how, that's a lot of the talent. It's due to some training.